Adding an EBT card to the Doordash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, check if your area participates. So Doordash currently accepts SNAP EBT cards in select cities and regions across the US. You can check availability by visiting Doordash's website and entering your address. If EBT payments are available in your area, you will see a SNAP tag next to eligible stores. Then add your EBT card. Once you've confirmed your location eligibility, follow these steps. Now open the Doordash app or website and navigate to your account or payment methods section. Then look for the option to add program card or add SNAP EBT card. After that, enter your EBT card information accurately. Then select eligible items when browsing the Doordash app. Look for stores and items with a SNAP label. These indicate items you can purchase using your EBT card. And during checkout, choose Pay with SNAP and enter the amount you want to charge to your EBT card for eligible purchases. Enjoy your groceries. Your Doordash driver will deliver your groceries, and the eligible items will be paid for using your EBT card balance.